Hi, myself Vinoth. I have recently bought an apartment in Doshi, Risington. I was actually looking for a good home interiors. Uh, I have gone through a couple of good interiors, and where I have finally preferred and selected the Cookscape. It is really a very good brand, and they have been years to years, decades. Later, I have visited the Cookscape outlet directly, and I have met Yalini. She is the wall-to-wall in charge, a very supportive lady, and she has showed a lot of designs and new as per our new generation. So they have showed me a lot of designs which was really good. They directly came to my apartment and they suggested a good design. They have completed the project in the stipulated time as they have promised. That is 45 to 60 days. That is 2 months. At the end of project, the outcome. I mean, the entire work was fabulous, which you would have seen in this video. They have suggested me a lot of good designs like false ceiling and wallpapers. Most of my interiors have been covered by wall to wall and the wooden team as well. They both have done a good and fabulous job. We were actually very much satisfied with the finishing. I mean, the entire output was perfect, and we are really satisfied with whatever they have done. And I would like to thank Yalini Gautam, who was taking care of my designs, and Sudarmati, Leo from Cookscape. Everybody did a good job, and they have perfectly done my house very well. So I would like to thank you, the Cookscape, and the entire team for this beautiful house. Thank you.